Hey love, it's Mag. I am back. So today I have a new video for you guys. Recently I started the ketogenic diet. If you guys want to know more about it, give this video a thumbs up, and hopefully in the future I'll be able to make a video for you guys. But today I am simply here to show you guys 3 of the ketogenic meals that I've prepped for the week. So let's go ahead and get cooking. For this recipe, I use some ground turkey, but you guys can also use some ground beef, ground lamb, ground pork, whatever you desire. And this is what I use to marinate the meat. I cooked the ground turkey in some olive oil, then I added some diced peppers and onions. When the meat was almost done, I added some heavy cream, and later on I'll be adding a little bit of marinara sauce to it. While stuffing the peppers, I added some Parmesan cheese in between the meat, and then I added some cheddar cheese on top. For the second recipe, guys, we're making some cheese stuffed meatballs, some roasted vegetables, and some cauliflower rice. To save time and money when I'm meal prepping, I like to use the same ingredients for different recipes. So for this one, I will be using the leftover ground turkey that I just used for my stuffed peppers for the meatballs. For the last recipe, we are making some lamb chops to use with the same vegetables that I used on the previous recipe. We are pretty much done, you guys. This is how everything looked after they came out the oven. Everything looks so good, they smell so good, and they tasted even better. Everything is plated, and just so you guys know, avocados are a good source of fat for the ketogenic diet, so I'll be eating some with my meals. And also, you guys, all these have been for only 49 cents this week, so if you have one in your area, go ahead and check them out. We are all done. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, please give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so that you can get a notification whenever I do post a video. Also, you guys go in the comment section and let me know if you ever try the ketogenic diet or if you're interested in seeing more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I appreciate you all, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.